Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Anna and Mark English Stories, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of stories from everyday life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hello, Anna, and hello to everyone listening. Today we're going to talk about something super useful, our daily routine.
Yes, this is one of the best topics for English beginners. We all have a daily routine, so it's a great way to practice English with real-life examples.
Exactly. Let's start from the beginning of the day. Anna, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m., I open my eyes, stretch a little, and then I go straight to the kitchen for my coffee.
Of course, you love coffee. So you wake up at 7, and then you have coffee. What do you do next?
After coffee, I take a shower, get dressed, and prepare breakfast. I usually eat toast and fruit.
That sounds nice. So listeners, you can say, I wake up at 7 a.m., I take a shower, I get dressed, I have breakfast.
Exactly. These are common verbs for talking about your routine. Now, what about you, Mark? What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up a bit earlier, around 6:30 a.m. I like to exercise in the morning.
Wow, that's great. So you wake up, you exercise. What kind of exercise do you do?
I go for a short run in the park, or sometimes I do yoga. Then I take a shower, have breakfast, and get ready for work.
Perfect. So, listeners, you can say, I wake up, I exercise, I take a shower, I have breakfast. These are easy and useful daily actions.
Now, let's talk about the afternoon. Anna, what do you usually do after work?
Well, after work, I like to relax a little. I listen to music or watch my favorite series. Sometimes I cook dinner too.
Nice. So, you listen to music, watch TV, cook dinner. Very common activities. And what time do you usually have dinner?
Around 7:30 p.m. I like to eat early and then read a bit before bed.
That's great. I usually have dinner around 8 p.m. Then I wash the dishes, and I sometimes play the guitar or talk with friends online.
That's fun. So, to our listeners, you can say, I have dinner at 8 p.m. Or, I wash the dishes. I talk with my friends. I play the guitar.
Now, it's nighttime. Anna, what's your night routine like?
Well, at night, I like to read or watch something relaxing. Then I brush my teeth and go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Nice. I usually go to bed a little later, around 11:30 p.m. Before sleeping, I like to listen to podcasts in English.
That's a great idea. Listening to English every day really helps improve your skills.
Yes. So listeners, you can say, I go to bed at 10 p.m. or I listen to podcasts before bed.
So let's review together. Wake up, take a shower, have breakfast, go to work, have lunch, relax, have dinner, go to bed.
Exactly. You can use these verbs to talk about your daily routine. Try making your own sentences, like, I wake up at 7. I go to work at 9. I have dinner at 8.
Perfect. And remember, the more you speak and repeat, the faster you'll learn.
That's right. So practice every day, and soon you'll talk about your daily routine like a native speaker.
Thank you for listening to Anna and Mark English Stories. If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give us a like. It really helps our channel grow.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.